have an issue with the way things are running, how about you step up and do what needs to be done? And I feel like we're really reaching a new generation that is trying to become more active in doing and speaking up when they need to speak up. Because I've been surrounded by it a lot, just people talking all the time and saying how much, and even to the point where it's two sides. It's people who say, "Yeah, man, I love Haiti, but ain't nothing left of Haiti no more." There's that, and then there's the other side saying, I hate that country. You can't do anything for me. And I will go back to the words that I believe it was JFK who said that don't ask yourself what your country could do for you. Ask what you could do for your country. And if you think about it, a country is nothing without its people. And this is saying this because I remember our a spiritual father was having this. I don't remember which preaching he was having, but he was like, a kingdom is the domain of a king, and a king can have a domain, but if the king don't have a people, who are you ruling? The land? The animals? The animals, the trees. And I was just like, you know what? You really have a point there. So a country could have a president. A country could have everything, but without the people, there's nothing. There's nobody